Okay, this is a video capture designed to explore the rationale for and underpinnings of the presentation, the 20-minute presentation as part of the social processes in sport and exercise psychology module on the MSc. So it is what it says on the tin. It's a 20-minute presentation with accompanying screen capture. There will be a separate video capture talking you through how you do that. We use a system called BB Flashback Express. I'm tempted to say it's a piece of cake to use. It is fairly easy, but I don't want to tempt fate. But anyway, that will be located on a separate instructional video capture. In terms of the presentation itself, the presentation is located within the social processes module. So whilst there is clearly a degree of autonomy, you have a degree of autonomy in relation to which area you choose to present upon, it has to be located within the theoretical material that we cover within social processes. So yeah, you've got a degree of autonomy. Two, you have to locate the presentation within the topic material that we cover on the module. So things like transitions, things like leadership, things like relationships in a sport and exercise context. So that's the topic area kind of material. The rationale for a presentation, and one of the innovative things about this as an assessment tool, is that it represents part of the controlled conditions requirements. As I'm sure you're aware, every module has to have controlled conditions, a controlled conditions element, and we thought about that. Well, how do we make that happen in terms of online submissions? And the use of screen capture, the use of audio capture, if you like, and BB Flashback Express ensures that we can actually watch you present. And so it satisfies the control conditions requirements for any given module. In terms of and the other part of the rationale is that you know, if you whatever walk of life you're aiming for, whatever career path you might have in mind, then presentations are likely to form some part of that process. And so it's an opportunity to refine your presentational skills. The kind of technological world that we live in gives us freedom, if you like, to actually explore different mechanisms for making contacts and connections with others. And you know, with this particular medium, I'm almost certain will become more and more part of the course. Forgive the sporting analogy there. And so it's an opportunity for you to practice and have fun putting together a presentation using some up-to-date technology. In terms of what we expect, well, it's a 20-minute presentation. You will be treating it as if you were actually presenting to an audience. It's not long, 20 minutes. So there's once you've decided on a topic, the issue then might be, well, what do I try and cover the whole of that topic? Do I cover one very specific area of that particular topic? And that's perfectly acceptable. It would be naive and in some ways probably counterproductive for you to choose, I don't know, for example, leadership, and say, right, I'm going to do a 20-minute presentation that actually covers everything there is to know about leadership. It wouldn't be good to watch. It would be thin. So I suppose, you know, my immediate reaction would be, choose, an element of a particular topic area and use the 20-minute presentation to explore that in some detail. So yes, there is no expectation that you're going to have to cover huge amounts of material. There's an expectation that you will be critically analytical. There's an expectation that you will provide some up-to-date research support for whatever area it is that you're actually addressing. So yeah, there's all the expectations of academic abilities at master's level that will run with this particular assignment. In terms of process, I've already mentioned BB Flashback Express. We ran it for the first time last year with absolutely no problems. So we're hoping we're going to be able to repeat that process. There is full written instruction on the guidelines about how to do that, and then there is an extra video capture that'll give you a walkthrough. It's me giving you a walkthrough and demonstrating it in action. So I hope this has been useful, and James and I really look forward to seeing your presentations. Thank you.